Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an extra short video because we woke up this morning and unfortunately our bathroom is flooded, so it's really preoccupied my brain, but I didn't want to miss doing another upload. So we're just going to do a short video and it's going to be right and wrong. So the Scottish Gaelic for right and wrong. So for right, it's ceart, ceart, ceart. And for wrong, ceàrr, ceàrr, ceàrr. Ceart, Agus, ceàrr, with Agus being the word for and, ceart, Agus, ceàrr. And that's it for today. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.